Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove tax included on your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So as you can see guys, I'm right now on my Shopify store. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go right here to the left and then go all the way down until you find settings. Once you find settings, just click on it and then you will be right here. Once you're here in the left, you're gonna find all of the sections. So just search for taxes and duties. And once you find it, just click on it and then you're gonna be right here. From here, you can see the countries that have taxes and you can manage the tax settings of each country. And if you go ahead and scroll down, you're going to see right here, decide how tax is charged. So firstly, you're going to find include tax in prices. So if this one is checked, then the tax will be included in the price. And if you uncheck it, you're going to remove tax included. If you check this one, you're going to charge tax on shipping rates. And right here, you can check this one if you want to charge VAT on digital goods. This will create a collection that you can add digital product to. That will be applied to products in the collection at checkout for the European customers. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.